Hi, guys. We'll wait another minute here to see if anybody else joins us. All right, I think we're gonna go ahead and get started. We might have a couple more people still joining us. First of all, we have someone new in our class. Chad just joined us today. So everyone say hi to Chad.
Hi.
Hi, Chad. There we go. All right, so today we're gonna continue working on our project. Chad, you're not gonna be doing this part, so you're gonna stay in the Zoom call after I dismiss everyone, and we're gonna talk through some details for you, okay? So Chad, just hang tight. So everybody else, today you're gonna be working on your project still. The part you're gonna be doing today is you're actually gonna be playing the game. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go in and play whatever game you choose, or whatever one you chose for your project, okay? And you're gonna record yourself playing it. Now you're gonna record it through Flipgrid. All right, I have a link in Flipgrid all set up for you. I have a link in Flipgrid all set up for you. I'm gonna share my screen. So the link that I have within Classroom will take you to the Flipgrid assignment. Okay, so while you're playing the game, you're gonna kind of talk through what you're thinking. So if you're clicking, you're talking. Okay, so you really just need to be verbalizing what you're thinking, your strategies, why you're doing what you're doing. Okay, so you're gonna play the entire game start to finish. So I have the instructions in here to make the video what you're gonna do. So you're gonna click on that Flipgrid link that I have in Classroom. You have to click Join with Google. You're gonna click Record a Response. Okay, when that video screen opens, you can click on Options and then say Record Screen. That way it's not just recording you talking, but I can see your screen. Okay, so it's recording the game that you're playing. So then when you start screen recording, then you can talk through your whole process, and you can hit stop screen share when you're all done, and then you can hit submit. Then you can download your video and put that right into your Google Slides. All right, so all the video recording is done through Flipgrid. It's way easier than trying to do it just on your plain Chromebook, okay? All right, so your job today is to make your video. Okay, we're getting close to the end of our project here. Tomorrow, what you're going to do, I don't know if I'm going to be back for our class or not. Okay, so you do not have to check in on Zoom tomorrow. I have a meeting in the morning, but it's on the other side of town. So I'm worried about whether I'm going to get back to the building on time. Okay, so you do not need to check in on Zoom tomorrow. But tomorrow, what you're going to be working on, and I'll put a reminder in Classroom, you're going to be working on your rankings. Okay, so you're going to be working on the next slide of rankings where you take all of those and rank them most favorite to least favorite. Okay, literally it's just a list. The first one is your most favorite all the way down. Okay, that's all that needs to be on there. And then you're going to kind of clean up your slides, make sure everything's readable, you have titles, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so tomorrow we should be wrapping most everything up, I believe. Okay, so questions about what you're going to work on today. All right, so again, I'll put a reminder about tomorrow. We do not need to check in with Zoom. Okay, today you should be doing your video recording. Tomorrow, your rankings. Okay, then Thursday, go ahead and check back in. We'll meet like normal, okay? All right, I highly recommend getting off the Zoom call if you're gonna do your recording. It'll work way better.
What's going on? Sorry.
Okay, so
The video recording. Yeah.
okay, so yeah, you're ready to do the video recording.
Okay.
Okay, so I have instructions in the in that handout I shared with you guys. Here, hold on, let me go back to it. Here it is. So you're going to make a video and you're making it through Flipgrid. Okay, so I
Okay.
have a link in Google Classroom in our project for that Flipgrid, and you're going to record yourself playing the game. But I want you to record your screen, not your face. Okay, and I have the instructions there on how to do that. Okay, and you're just kind of talking through your logic. So if you're clicking, you're talking. Okay, you're trying to verbalize, like, here's what I'm thinking. This is why I'm doing this part. That's why I'm doing this. All right, then it'll show you how to download, or it'll tell you to download the video, and you can then insert it into your Google Slides.
Okay.
Does that make sense, Aiden?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you hear that I'm not going to be here tomorrow? Or I don't know if I'm going to be back in time?
Yeah.
Okay, so then tomorrow, the last thing you should have to do on your project is the rankings.
Okay.
Okay, in that rankings, you're just going to take all those games and list them most favorite to least favorite.
Okay.
Super simple.
All
Does
right.
that
Sounds
make
good.
sense? Okay, and I just recommended everybody got offline to do the video recording
Okay.
because it's just going to work better for you.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay?
All right.
All right, take care.
You too. See you, Miss Linda.
I already did mine yesterday.
I saw that. Yeah.
So what am I supposed to do now?
Enjoy your afternoon.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Thanks.
Hey, Miss Awenga.
Yes.
I recorded mine, or I did my first recording yesterday,
Okay.
but I'm doing Sudoku, and
Okay.
Flipgrid only gives you 10 minutes, and I went over the 10 minutes. So
Okay.
if that happens again today, should I just like end it at 10 minutes, then take a picture of the finished puzzle and kind of like type out what I did in
Did
that
you
time after it got cut out?
did it save? Do you know?
I didn't save it because I didn't know like what I should have done.
Okay. You know what? If you just do your 10 minutes and then be done. You don't
Okay.
have to necessarily finish it. If it takes that long, then don't finish it. I know
Mhm.
that'll give me a glimpse of whether you understand what you're doing or not. So that'll be okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yep.
Wait, so Miss Awenga,
Yes.
I like take a video of me playing set.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Colin, you doing okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. You understand what you're supposed to do for today?
Yeah.
Okay. Just want to make sure.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Cantrell. Can you hear me okay? Okay, all right, so Cantrell, what they're working on today is making a video of yourself playing the game, whatever game you chose. Okay, so to do that, you're gonna do that in Flipgrid. So in Google Classroom for this assignment, I have a Flipgrid link. You click on that, it'll take you right to it. Okay, it shows you, I have the instructions here on how to record a response, but I want you to record your screen, not your face. Okay, so it's under options, you can choose record screen. And basically you're just gonna talk through whatever game you're playing. Okay, and so like if you're clicking, you're talking basically. So you're trying to describe, I'm clicking on this card, I like these three, like if you're doing set, like these three because they're all different colors, they're all the same shape. Okay, you're talking through the whole thing. All right, so you're gonna play start to finish, and then when you're done, you stop your screen share and then download the video. And you can put that video then right into your Google slide. Okay, tomorrow, Cantrell, tomorrow I'm not gonna be here. Okay, so you don't have to check into Zoom tomorrow, but the last slide then what you have to do is the rankings. So you just have to rank those games that I have listed, most favorite to least favorite. Okay, and then that should kind of finish up your project. Does that make sense for you? Okay, so you are welcome. I would recommend getting off of the Zoom in order to do your recording. Okay, so you're welcome to go and let me know if you need help, okay? Bye, Cantrell. Hi, Chad. Can you hear me okay, Chad?
So do I have to play the game? I'm not really sure what I have to do.
Okay, so that's why I want to talk to you afterwards. All right, so they're working on a big project that we've kind of been building up to all semester long. So honestly, to ask you to jump in at this point is not really fair. So I was talking to Miss Jefferson, who is your guidance counselor here.
Mm-hmm.
And we're looking at your math credits to figure out if you even need to finish this course with me. So I guess I have a couple questions for you. So you came from Ottawa Glandorf, is that right?
I came from Columbus Grove.
Columbus Grove, that's one, I'm sorry. So you had an Algebra 1A and an Algebra 1B. Was that like a double period class?
Oh, at Bellefontaine?
Oh, is that where you did that, at Bellefontaine?
Yeah.
Okay, so was that like a 2-period class?
Yeah. It was like, because it was an hour and 30 minutes long.
All year long?
Yeah.
That's a lot of math.
Yeah.
Okay, and then did you do like the same kind of thing for geometry then?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not even sure you need any more math credits. So what we were talking about doing, and we have to get this approved, so we're working on this part of it. We think you have enough math credits, and so we're trying to see, when you came from Columbus Grove, you had some grades with you already for math. If we can just take those and use those as your grades for us. Because to ask you to jump in at this point is just not very realistic.
Yeah, I was so, because I think it's a puzzle game. My mom said like Sudoku or something like that.
Yeah, so this class is called problem solving, and it's a lot of logic. It's a lot of logic games. So we've been playing games and talking about logic and then applying it in different places. So that's what this project is. It's wrapping up all these games that we've done. So at this point, here's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna have you do this project, so I'm just gonna exclude you from this project. Today I'll go back in and I'll exclude you from anything I have you marked missing. So the next time you really need to do anything for me, I want you to join us on Thursday because I'm not going to be here tomorrow. So join us on Thursday and hopefully I'll have an answer for you by then as far as how we move forward. But honestly, we don't have a whole lot left in this class. We're going to play a couple more games and that's it. And so worst case scenario, I teach you how to play those games or teach you how to play one of the games and just have you play that one instead of all the different ones. And then we'll add it to your old grades from your old school and we'll call it done. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you have to join us still on Thursday and we'll go from there. But don't worry about the project or anything at this point and I'll go in and adjust your grade. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, it's nice meeting you, Chad.
Nice meeting you.
All right, maybe someday we'll get to each other in real life too. Who knows?
Yeah.
I don't think you have a math class next semester. I don't remember you having that on your schedule.
They said something about like an economics class.
Yes, yeah, so you have to take econ. That's under the social studies department. I think you have English and econ next semester, if I remember correctly.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So we'll talk again on Thursday and we'll figure out what's going on from there. Sound good?
Yep.
All right, thanks for checking in, Chad.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Have a good day.